The AS Val, GRAU designation 6P30, is a Soviet-designed assault rifle featuring an integrated suppressor. The Val was developed alongside the VSS Vintorez to replace modified general-purpose firearms such as the AX-74UB, BS-1, APB, and PB for clandestine operations. Development of the Val began in 1985 following the VSS Vintorez in 1983 by TsNIITochMash based on the prototype RG-036 completed in 1981. Manufacturing began at the Tula Arms Plant after its adoption by the Soviet Army and KGB in 1987. The Val is integrally suppressed and chambered in 9x39mm, a subsonic cartridge, in order to reduce its report, and was designed alongside the VSS Vintorez, a similar rifle designed for precision shooting. 4 rows of 9 holes are drilled in the barrel near which follow the rifling and allow gas to escape the barrel behind the projectile into the suppressor. The suppressor effectively hides muzzle flash and reduces the muzzle report of the firearm to 130 decibels. There are no design features which reduce the noise of the action. Manipulation of the Val is similar to many other Alaska-type rifles: charging handle on the right side, tangent rear sight, magazine release button behind the magazine well, and safety lever above the trigger guard. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.